Neck pain is a very common issue that affects many people at some points in their lives. Common causes of neck pain are, for example, bad posture, muscle strain, whiplash, sports injuries, and a bad mattress and/or pillow. Here at Plato Chiropractic Health Clinic, we treat neck pain. We use specific chiropractic manipulation, we treat the muscles, give ergonomic advice, and prescribe exercise. Should you want more information, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, drop us a message, or visit the clinic directly.